acting up lately. I have a lot of breakage. I think I'm going to cut it. Not entirely. I just want to give it a little bit of a tapered trim. Let's go ahead and put this sheer goodness in our hair. I made this to help build my hair back again. I'm going to be cutting this anyway, but I'm putting the product in it because I can't gauge where I should put it and where I shouldn't. So I'm going to put it everywhere. Somebody might think I'm not being gentle on my hair. It's just because I'm over it. I put moisture in it before I combed it. It's just not doing great, and so I'm cutting it. I'm not being so gentle with it today. That's fine.
Dame, Senhor, em mi coração. conhece, quebranta o meu coração.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video.